So good morning class. Today we are going to study about present simple tense. So when to use present simple tense? We use the present simple tense for facts or things that are always true or generally true. For example, whales live in the ocean. This is a fact. This is always true. A dog has 4 legs. This is generally true. It rains a lot in winter. Yes, this is generally true. The present simple is also used for regular habits or repeated actions. These are often daily routines and they happen always, often, generally, every week, and so on. For example, I brush my teeth 3 times a day. I read in bed every night. She goes to the gym after work. He walks to school every day. So let's see the form of present simple using like, likes, don't like, and doesn't like. For positive sentences with like, I like chocolate. You like flowers. We like card games. They like books. Let's look at the first sentence again. I like chocolate. But for this person, she, what do we say? We say she likes chocolate. Likes with an S. For he, she, it, we use likes with an S at the end. She likes chocolate. He likes ice cream. It likes bones. Remember, it is for animals. Negative sentences with like. Look at this sentence. I like snakes. Yes, I work at a zoo and I like snakes. This is an affirmative sentence, but how can we make this a negative sentence? I don't like snakes. So we use don't to make negative sentences in the present simple tense when the subject is I, you, we, or they. You put don't before the verb. I like snakes. I don't like snakes. Don't is the contraction of do not. So you can say I don't like snakes or I do not like snakes. More examples of negative sentences with don't like. I don't like windy days. You don't like injections. We don't like spiders. They don't like spinach. Now, look at this sentence. He likes dogs. What is the negative of this sentence? The negative is he doesn't like dogs. So we use doesn't to make negative sentences in the present simple tense when the subject is he, she, or it. You put doesn't before the verb. He likes dog. He doesn't like dogs. Notice there is no S at the end of like. There is no S at the end of the verb in negative sentences. We cannot say, he doesn't like dogs. No, this is not correct. He doesn't like dogs. This is correct. Also, doesn't is a contraction of does not. So you can say, he doesn't like dogs or he does not like dogs. More examples of negative sentences with doesn't like. He doesn't like bad news. She doesn't like winter. My cat doesn't like dogs. Again, my cat refers to it, so it will be it doesn't like dogs. And remember, no S at the end of like in negative sentences. Questions with like. For questions, we simply add do or does at the beginning. For example, you like chocolate. This is an affirmative or positive sentence. So how can we change this into a question? For I, you, we, they, we add do at the beginning to make it a question. So it becomes, do you like chocolate? And with this sentence, he likes chocolate. Again, this is an affirmative sentence. And how can we change this into a question? So for he, she, it, we add does at the beginning to make it a question. Does he like chocolate? Again, there is no S at the end of the verb in questions. Look at these questions. We can respond with short answers. Do you like chocolate? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Does she like chocolate? Yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. And lastly, for spelling rules, the ending is ES when the verb ends in S, SS, SH, CH, X, or O. For example, wash, washes, miss, misses, go, goes. If a verb ends in a consonant plus Y, like BY, RY, SY, Y changes to IE before the ending S. For example, hurry, hurries, try, tries. But play will be plays. We will only add S as A isn't a consonant, it is a vowel.